Hey, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be the 2021 Pioneer Alox Limited Edition from the Ramsperger 100yr Cutler in Germany. Stay tuned, and we'll check it out. The 2021 Pioneer Alox Limited Edition, celebrating the 100th year of the Ramsperger 100yr Cutler. Now, I could be pronouncing that wrong, I apologize, but I obtained this knife through some networking. It comes in this nice little display box. And we'll take a look at it. So they were very nice to give you some band-aids for when you cut yourself with their logo on it. This knife hails from Germany, I believe. And this card is all in German. But I put it into Google Translate and it translated it to say, "Congratulations, you are holding the result of 100 years of company history in your hands. The Pioneer in the 100-year Ramsperger edition is limited to 500 pocket knives. It represents our close friendship and business relationship with the Alsner family and their unmistakable original Swiss Victorinox pocket knife. Today, the Swiss Army knife is synonymous with functionality, quality, and pioneering spirit in a compact size. No other knife reflects our 100-year company history better than the Swiss Army knife. With robust anodized aluminum scales, the Alox handles in the special color of traffic gray are in harmony with the flair of our newly renovated shop in downtown Freiburg. This special knife is a style-conscious companion suitable for every outfit and ready for daily adventure. We hope you enjoy your very own pocket knife with the serial number of 470 out of 500. We'll look at that here in just a moment. We get our standard care use and maintenance card. And then we get a look at that traffic gray scale. Then, of course, on the back we have the serial number for this specific knife is 470 out of 500. And the Pioneer is a 93mm knife, 2 layers, right at 7/16 of an inch wide, and comes with the keychain or key ring. Very similar to the 1961 pattern of Victorinox soldier knives. And with that, we get no back layer tools. We get the standard opening layer with the can opener and precision screwdriver. It also doubles as a Phillips. We get the cap lifter, wire bender, and hollow ground screwdriver with the 90-degree stop. We get the standard main blade, but this one is etched with the Ramsperger logo. And then for tang stamp, Victorinox Swiss made stainless. And then if my camera will pick it up, you also get the 1921 to 2021 logo there. And nothing on the rear. And I'm not sure if these logos on the 93mm knives, or tang stamps I should say, coincide with the same tang stamps that are on the 91mm knives, or 93 versus 91, you know what I'm saying. But if so, that would obviously be the newest tang stamp, because we are just past the year 2021. Then we get that 1961 pattern of reamer awl with the sharpened edge. Now the Pioneer model is probably one of the most common models in the 93mm lineup that you see. I know a lot of the limited edition Alox versions from Victorinox have been the Pioneer, and it seems like a lot of companies choose that for their special edition knives. So that about does it for this knife. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.